We start off then with how the market action panned out for the day, and in fact it was the worst start to the new year since 1996, with the Nifty dropping for the fifth straight day in a row, slipping well below its 50 daily moving average. A disastrous close at just above the 6150 market, 6162. Broader markets somewhat resilient, but it was the mid-cap end of the market that came under a fair bit of selling pressure. The small cap index though managed to hold out. Real estate and metals were absolutely clobbered in today's session, while it was capital goods as well as the auto basket which saw a marginal uptick. You had Tata Steel, Bank of Baroda, Tata Power, Sesa Sterlite, all of those rate sensitives were under a fair bit of pressure, and that too from the word go. Apart from that, select stocks in focus, something like Claris Life Sciences, that spurted, but then it died down as the buyback at 14.5% of equity was fixed at 250 rupees per share, and it declared an interim dividend of 9 rupees per share. IL&FS Transport got the provisional certificate for a road project in Andhra Pradesh that kept it a little bit active. Reliance Power, as the CERC, will be hearing the Western Region Road Dispatch Centre plea on the Sasan unit commissioning today, and ahead of that, the counter, in tandem with the way the entire power sector panned out, was a little bit weak. You had Valecha Engineering, a shot in the arm as it got a project worth 133.5 crore rupees. Maruti, on the other hand, in fact, hit a record high. It was gains very strong in today's session of over 2%. Lots of brokerages gave it a thumbs up. It outperformed the market, in fact, in the last 1 month, rising something like 6.5%, while the Sensex fell close to 1%. Bharat Forge, it was a brokerage upgrade. Bank of America this time, it maintained a buy, upping the targeted 390 from 325, saying that the export volume and margin outlook has improved. Wockhardt also, as the US FDA tests its Shendra unit, and that is set for key US inspection. MCX was very active again as Blackstone has now hiked the stake in the company. It bought 14.2 lakh shares for 81 crore rupees. Giving it company on the upside, some of the large cap gainers we flagged off Maruti. IndusInd Bank bucked the trend. Something like M&M did well for itself. And Capcos is really where you're seeing a lot of action. So L&T saw a good volume breakout today.